First forward swings for 10 seconds. Aim for 10 reps. This will open up your shoulder joints. Alright, now backwards. Again 10 seconds, 10 reps. Good. Do as best as you can, making a muscle-mind connection throughout. 10 seconds rest. Get ready for side rotations. Alright, first to the left side, legs not too wide, body straight, rotate your upper body as far as you can. Now to your right, slowly and comfortably. Good, 10 seconds rest. Next exercise is side locks. Legs a bit wide, hands up, just like that. First rotate to your left, come back to the original position and then move to your right. Slowly come back and then move to your left again. Stretches your upper body completely. Just 20 seconds. Good. 10 seconds rest. Now we are moving on to standing crunches. Start. Remember to engage your core as you crunch. This circuit of body stretching and warming exercises is extremely important for the body to prepare for the 3 upcoming circuits. Great going. Good. 10 seconds rest. Let's move on to twisters. Start. Body straight, legs close, short jumps side to side. Easy, isn't it? Come on. Simple exercises yet so crucial to get that blood pumping all around the body. And done. The next exercise is butt kicks. Start. Simply jumping as if kicking your own butt. Do as best as you can, making a muscle-mind connection throughout. Good. Just 10 more seconds. And done. Our next movement is cross stretch. Start. Bend forward, trying to touch your left foot with right hand and then your right foot with left hand. Just go as low as you can. Don't push too much, comfortably maintaining your own pace. Feel your back muscles getting engaged. Done. The final exercise of this circuit is jumping jacks. You have got this. Come on, let's finish up. This is a full body movement exercise. Do it properly as it will really help you perform well in the next circuit. Once arms to the side and then arms forward parallel to each other. Just 10 more seconds. Great going. And circuit 1 is over. Well done. Now take rest for 30 seconds. Relax. Do some deep breathing. Sip some water if you would like to. Not much, just to rinse the mouth. Our circuit 2 is a set of 8 exercises focusing on strength training. Again 20 seconds of each exercise and then 10 seconds of rest. This one is going to be harder, but don't worry. I'll be showcasing some easy beginner moves alongside. Take a deep breath in. Come on, let's kill it. Let's begin with normal push-ups. Start. Hands symmetrical, body straight, hips little up, all the way down and all the way up. If you're not able to do even a single push-up, no problem. Do the easy version. You can do it at your own pace, there is no hurry. But do it, don't stop. Probably the best compound movement engaging your chest, shoulders and arms. Beats all gym equipment. Keep going. Almost done. Good. Take 10 seconds rest. Breathe in deeply. Slowly breathe out. Alright, let's do squats. Start. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, hips moving back and down below your knees. Just like you sit on a chair. An amazing exercise to strengthen the quads, glutes and hamstrings. Do as best as you can. Maintain your focus on the targeted muscles. It will set an ideal rhythm for the next exercise, which is squat jumps. And done. 10 seconds rest. Same position, same movement with a slight twist. The squat jumps. Start. This plyometric movement not only helps strengthen your lower body but also improves cardiovascular endurance. Do it comfortably, landing in a controlled manner. Yes, just like that. Great going. Just 5 more seconds. Done. Rest for 10 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. Get ready for diamond push-ups. Place your palms under the chest, making a diamond. Start. If this movement is hard for you, no worries. Go ahead with the beginner movement. The idea is to keep doing. Just go at your own pace. It engages your arms in a big way. Almost done. Give your best. Just 5 more seconds. Good job. Alright, now get ready for another round of squat jumps. Go. If you're feeling tired, you can instead do a normal squat. No issues. Go ahead with the easy move or even take a few seconds rest. It's fine. But please do not abandon the workout. That's the only way you fail. Just 5 more seconds. And done. Awesome. 10 seconds rest. Our next move is push-ups. Normal push-ups. Get to the position and start. Just 20 seconds. Maintain your own pace. Just 2 more exercises after this and we will be through this circuit. Come on, keep up the spirit. Five more seconds. And done. Feeling tired? Don't worry. The next move is easier. It's a squat hold. Feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, hands around the shoulder. Come as low to 90 degrees position and just hold that position. Great endurance exercise. Also helps in posture of upper body. Just hold on. 10 more seconds. 5 seconds. And done. So we move to the final exercise of this circuit, the diamond push-ups once again. Come on. Take a deep breath in, palms under the chest and start. This compound movement hits your triceps, chest and shoulder all at once. This is the last one in this circuit. Keep doing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and done. Great job. You have completed 2 circuits. Pat your back.